Train with WK, you will learn about today third topic about data types, variables, and implicit type, explicit type. What are the differences about in these logical topics? First of all, this is the third part of our tutorial. Today's topic about is variable in C#, data types in C#, implicit, explicit types, data type conversion, and at the end we will create a project. Next, if you haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe and get the latest updates, and don't forget click on the bell icon. So let's start. First we are creating a project. You can write here create new project, console, click on the .NET framework, next, CSharpFundamental, create it. Just we have created a project. Just write here, I'm just writing here integer float First of all, we are talking about variables. How to declare a variables? First of all, you have to define a data type, whether you are using integer, float, double character, string. It's up to you. It's up your requirement of the project. Let's say I'm taking an integer value. Let's suppose amount is 200. Because 200 is integer, that's why I have taken an integer. So it's a numeric value, integer for use for the numeric term. At the after that we are taking a string. When you have to store a string on double quotation, just storing a name, hardcode value. Float, when you have a point value, float. Float, you can store a pi value. You can also store a amount 2. That was 2.5. Other is double. When you have a long value, double is a greater data type according to float as compared to float. You can read here the definition. Represent a 32-bit signed integer .NET frameworks. And if you write here, so I'm just taking here console dot write line. I'm just taking the size. Integer size is, you have to pass here the index, bytes. You can copy it. And here you can pass the size of. It's a built-in function of C#. Here you can pass float, double, string, this function will not take the string value. Of course, it's a string, it will take integer type data type. So double, string, float, it will take character. You can store character. Float, double, it's a character. So now we are going to running. Last you can write here console dot just run it. The integer size is 4 byte, float size is also 4 byte, double size is 8 byte, and the character size is 2 byte. So this is the data type and how to assign a variable value, and how to get the size of your data type. At the end you can print the value of all variable like this. Amount3. So you will get the result. You can pass here character amount3 tick can run, get the result. Amount value, you can change the syntax as per your requirement. Name is amount2 is no, you cannot. If you want to change the line, just type here. So this is amount variable, how to print the variables value, how to get the size, and what is remaining. We have done these things: variables, data type, implicit, explicit. How can you convert? Let's suppose I am going to store int implicit is equal to 2.5. Cannot implicit convert type the double to int, and explicit conversion exists. Are you missing a cast? Because it's saying you cannot store this value explicit because it will lose the data to 1.5. It's saying you have to store in double like this. It will remove the error. That is called the implicit and explicit conversion. So it will automatically give you an error in the 4.7 something framework. And if you go back the previous framework, it will not give you the error, and you have to run the project, and after that you will realize you have lost the something value. So this is the implicit explicit, and we have created a project, this all thing. So I will give you this all code, you can run in your system and learn about this thing. So why this is giving me a warning? Because that's I didn't use anywhere, just I am going to use here. So integer, string, float, double, character, these all things you have to use in your project. With it's up to your requirement where you want to use. So it's up to you, totally in your project. So this is about today's topic we have done. So learn and move forward to other videos.